Welcome. Today is day 4. Now it is time to condition our minds to our new reality. Today, I don't want you to try and visualize anything. Just hear the sentences I say, feel them in your heart, and repeat them internally. These sentences are your new software. Take a comfortable breath. Relax your shoulders and allow the power of these words to enter. We begin. I am here and I am ready to receive. I deserve wealth. I deserve abundance. Money is my natural right. Being rich is my destiny. I love and approve of myself. My worth is infinite, and my external wealth is simply a reflection of my internal value. I am worthy. I am enough. I am a magnet. Right now, exactly as I am, I invite massive money into my life. I have healed the past. I am building the future. I am the master of my wealth. My mind is clear. My heart is open. Money comes to me with ease. Money flows to me from everywhere. Money comes to me from unexpected sources. I earn effortlessly. Making money is as easy as breathing. Even while I sleep, money flows to me. Everything I touch turns into abundance. Opportunities are unfolding before me. Luck is always on my side. Today I am receiving wonderful news. My wallet is always full. My bank account grows every single day. Money loves staying with me. Money sticks to me. Wealth chases me wherever I go. The infinite treasury of the universe is working for me. My needs are met before I even ask. I love money. And money loves me. Money is my friend. Money is my security. Money is my freedom. Wealth looks good on me. Living in luxury is my right. I deserve everything of high quality. Every penny I spend returns to me with joy. As I spend, I multiply. I am not afraid to spend money because I know the source is infinite. The more I give, the more the universe gives back to me. I am generous, and I am rich. All barriers between me and money are dissolved. I am at peace with the energy of money. Right now, I am wealthy. Right now, I am safe. My debts are being paid and dissolved. My financial power increases every day. My home is full of abundance. My work is full of abundance. My income always exceeds my expenses. I am a money magnet. I have the power to manage large amounts. I attract millions into my life. I possess prosperity beyond my wildest dreams. My truth is abundance. Scarcity was an illusion, and it is gone. Wealth is my only reality. These are not just words. This is my new reality. My cells have received these commands. My subconscious has recorded these commands. And so it is. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.